The new BYD Seal 07DM-i has finally been unveiled, and the changes this time around are quite significant. First, the front design has been adjusted, with the air intake removed from the current model and replaced with a closed-back design. The air intake in the front bumper has also been enlarged, and the styling of the decorative elements on both sides has been altered. The headlight cluster has also been changed, with the LED light strip below the existing headlight cluster removed. The side and rear of the vehicle remain largely unchanged, retaining the two-stage waistline and concealed door handles. The rear of the vehicle still features the same through-beam light cluster, dot matrix light source, and through-beam chrome trim strip. Dimensionally, the vehicle has increased in length by 15 mm, while other features remain unchanged. The interior features the same center console layout as the current model. The full LCD instrument cluster and floating center console display remain in place. The four-spoke flat-bottom steering wheel is also the same, but the gearshift mechanism has been converted to a manual gear lever. A 50-watt wireless phone charging panel has been added to the dashboard, along with additional physical buttons and larger cup holders at the rear. High-end models also feature a heated and cooled refrigerator, a key feature during the summer months. In terms of power, the car is equipped with a plug-in hybrid system consisting of a 1.5T engine and an electric motor. The 1.5T engine has a maximum power output of 115 kilowatts, while the electric motor has a maximum power output of 200 kilowatts. Regarding battery life, two lithium iron phosphate battery packs are available: 17,626 kilowatt-hours and 29,462 kilowatt-hours. These batteries have a pure electric range of 110 kilometers and 180 kilometers, respectively. Fuel consumption on low battery is 4.39 liters and 4.49 liters per 100 kilometers, respectively. Compared to the current pure electric range of 55 kilometers and 100 kilometers, the new model offers a significant improvement. Its most striking feature is its LiDAR-equipped version, which supports city navigation and more parking assistance functions. This configuration is rare in similarly priced models, and it appears BYD has made significant investments this time around. It is expected to launch in late August, with an official suggested retail price between 139,800 and 195,800 yuan. Overall, the addition of the LiDAR system further enhances its competitiveness by offering improvements in appearance, interior, power, and features.